So, Varjo Aero. As you can see, working just fine, right? Now, I know some people might be a little bit worried about the fiber optical cable that was included. But what if I told you there were alternatives out there? So this is the cable that came with the headset. And this is something that I ordered on Amazon. If I follow the cable, as you can see, it's a Lindy brand cable. Simple solution. Just make sure to get a cable that is USB-C on both ends, supports USB 3.1 Gen 2, and DisplayPort 1.4. Or if you don't want to look up, there's a Lindy part number in the description, so you can just look it up on Amazon yourself. So, I can tell you this much. The cable ain't cheap, $100. But whenever Varjo comes out with their own cable, or if they ever sell you one, it's likely going to be more expensive than that.